About to show all DC right now.
He was at the
He's Lil Flash?
Yeah. I'm playing Flash.
I'm like, Lil.
No, I said that's Flash. Respect the vet.
Oh, no. We were just talking.
That nigga said that's Lil Flash. I said yeah.
Huh? Garrett? What's your dad's name?
Yeah, you better know.
Oh, that's yours. Man, I'm not done shaking your hand.
Hey, watch, you finna run into a lot of weirdness.
Like try to have it kick in with the beat.
A lot of weirdness.
Look at my eyes when I'm talking to you, man.
Hey, come on, hey. You can't come up with it. Don't let you go get going.
Coca-Cola, come back here. Did you Coca-Cola?
He was like, yeah.
Come back here. What are you doing? I'm not done talking to you about Coca-Cola. Now, Coca-Cola is one of my favorite drinks. I learned it from Africa.
You learned it?
I learned it from Africa. Is it learned it or drink? Is it learn or drink?
Are you recording us from the Coca-Cola?
Yes, I'm recording.
I'm
Nigga can't wait to get this club, my nigga.
Hey, that's tight in there, my nigga.